next topic we have discussed in the 10th science, nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. Before before describing this topic, we have know about the basic theory of the nuclear reactions. There are nuclear reaction. What is the nuclear reaction? We have defining the definition of nuclear reactions. The process by which the identity of a nucleus is changed because of bombard of energized particles. It means it means when the identity of nucleus will be changed when a highly energized particle is bombarded with the nucleus, and this nucleus will be break up, and hence the nuclear reaction should be take place. This is the basic definition, the process by which the identity of a nucleus is changed because of bombarded energy particles. We are taking the chemical reaction a nuclear reactions. Suppose we have a element X, and this element X should be known as parent nucleus. Parent nucleus plus A. What is it? A is energized particles. This is bombard energized particles. This is energized particles. Energized particles. Energized particles. And this gives the another compound Y plus another compound B, and this is Q. What is bi? This is bi. Bi should be known as product nucleus. Bi should be known as product nucleus, and B should be known as daughter nucleus. Daughter nucleus, and Q should be known as energy. Should be known as this is the nuclear reactions. This X should be known as, what is X? Parent nucleus. This is parent nucleus, and A is the energized particle. With this parent nucleus is collide via bombard with the A energy level particles, then it should be break in another compound B and Q. There is bi is the product nucleus, and B is the daughter nucleus, and Q is the energy released during this process. What is Q? Q is the energy release. Q, what is Q factor? Q, energy released. Energy released or absorbed. Released or absorbed during nuclear reaction. During nuclear reaction. This Q is called Q factor. Q factor. This also called Q factor. This is also called a Q factor. Q means energy released or absorbed during the nuclear reactions, and this is also called a Q factor. A Q factor is positive. Q factor is positive. It means if Q factor is positive, that means the reactions should be endothermic. The reaction should be endothermic. The reaction should be endothermic and exothermic, and Q should be positive. Q is negative. Q may be positive, and Q may be positive, and Q may be negative. It depends on the reactions, which type of reaction should be take place. The reaction is endothermic or reaction should be exothermic. This quality factor may be defining the two thermodynamic reactions, exothermic and endo reaction. This totally depends on the endothermic and exothermic reactions, and positive and negative, they totally define the reactions. After that, we are discussing the nuclear reaction have two types. First type is nuclear fission reactions. The first type of nuclear reaction. Type of a classification of nuclear reaction. There are two type of nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction type of nuclear reaction. There are two type of nuclear reaction. First type is nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fission reaction. And second type is nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fusion reactions. Nuclear fusion reaction, nuclear fission reaction is also two types: controlled chain and uncontrolled chain. Controlled chain and uncontrolled chain reaction. First, we defining the first definition: nuclear fission reactions. What is nuclear fission reaction? When a heavy nucleus is breaks into smaller nuclei, medium type of nuclei, that type of reaction should be known as nuclear fission reaction. When a heavy nucleus is bombarded with the neutrons, then its nucleus will be breaking two or three or more nuclei. This type of reaction should be known as nuclear fission reaction. It means this is a heavy nucleus. And a neutron it attacked on this. A neutron particle 0 and this is heavy nucleus. This breaks into two or more smaller nuclei. This type of reaction, this smaller nuclei, because of the stability, this heavy nucleus is in an unstable condition and medium type of nucleus should be in stable condition. Hence, this nucleus is break two or more